Sambonani ke ubonge weludlovukazi ngeza nendaba wona uzanani nendlebe ngidinga iadvice kubangani bakho Ndlovukazi and ngizwe ukuthi bazongisiza kanjani. Uthi I am a girl who's 25 years old and I've been dating a boyfriend yami nje for a while and boyfriend yami umuntu alright ayikho ama red flags engingawabona kuyena until kuze kube manje nje basekunenkinga sengibhalela wena. Uthi ke sahlangana nalo mfana sihlangana nje wangishela emgaqweni like I was walking eThelukwini eDurban kuwe street kahlangana naye uGayi. Ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukungibamba inkunzi kanti cha uGayi is asking for my number. Okay. So uGayi ke kusho ukuthi ayicele inumber yami angimisa athi sorry size so mina ngibe uncomfortable. I'm thinking okay isalamusi leli uzongibamba inkunzi lona mhlawumbe khona igroup yabantu ahamba nabo and I'm not sure what's going on like and then athi ngicela ungiphi inumber yakho sesengikubuke ngakuthanda. Okay, bese uthi mina I lied because I don't like ukukhuluma nabantu eThekwini ngizitshela nje ukuthi lona ngizomqambela amanga ngimtshela ukuthi enene ngine boyfriend. Uthi at that time ngangena boyfriend I was more focused on izinto engangizenza trying to make sure ukuthi impilo yami right and nekhaya ngangizama nje ukuthi siphile and all of that. Uthi ngisebenza in one of the retail store eThekwini. Uthi ke abese uGayi angicela inumber bese ngimnike ke uGayi inumber nakhona ngimnika inumber yefone ehlala ekhaya engayisebenzisi kakhulu nje angijwayele uyisebenzisa ngezebenzisa nje makuthuluka ukuthi kade ekhaya ihlala ekhaya isetshenziswa yiwonke umndeni makufuna khona umuntu ofuna ukutholakala fonelwe ngazo sikhathi ekhaya. Nangempela ngimnike lo number and then afone umfana ntambama uyafona that number ipick up usisi wami bese yathatha anginike phone athi kukhona umuntu ofuna ukukhuluma naye ukukhuluma nawe nami ngibambe ifone. I'm like okay how can I help you? Athi uGayi emina ngicela ukukhuluma nawe ilo Gayi ohlangane naye edrobheni. Uthi uthi ke uGayi wakhona sorry kumfana omuhle kakhulu but kodwa nje umfana who looked decent. I was really scared ukukhuluma naye because bengicabanga ukuthi seriously labantu ababamba inkunzi not ukuthi bebuke ngathi iphara cha. Uthi ke bese yashoka ukuthi umfana usebenza in one of the companies engengize ngidisclose ujwayele ukuthi ambone makangena kulesi store usesebenza kusona so uyacela ukuthi enene ba date like umbukile wamthanda abese yasho ukela ukuthi and then I know mina at this moment I'm focusing on my life and trying to make my life better. I'm not ready to be in a relationship. Amthembisa uGayi ukuthi no all is well man like nami ngibusy ngapha I'm trying ukwenza impilo but please ngiyacela ukuthi unginike chance let me show ukuthi ngizimisele kangakanani ukuthi ngibe ku relationship with you. Umngani wethu it took long for me ukuthi ngizegcina ngimqoma lo mfana. First and foremost I had trust issues especially because abantu besilisa indlela engifundiswa ngakhona ekhaya angimthembi umuntu wesilisa and nangendlela engibone ngakhona komamncane bami indlela bebehlukumezeke ngakhona. So bengizitshela nje ukuthi you know it's going to take time. I'm going to take time for me ukuthi ngibe ku relationship ngizohlala nje until ngize ngibone umuntu right engizoba ku relationship naye ngizomthemba. Uthi but uthando lang overpower sisibongiwe uthi uthando lami overpower love umfana wamshela kwaphela inyanga uGayi wazogcina semqoma because umfana waqala wamkhipha you know every time on Friday mabaphuma emsebenzini umfana amfonela amtshela ukuthi uthi we ended up exchanging numbers ngamnika icingo loluhlala esikhwameni. Uthi ke then umfana waqala lapho wangikhipha every Friday. He would take me out and would go out and eat and umfana would talk. He's a natural kind person like mawumbuka angimazi ke noma wenzisa ukuthi and then uyangifuna ngaleso sikhathi. Uthi nangampela xoxe yakhuluma ngezinto zakube personal umfana you know akakhuliswanga uma wakhe ukhulele ubaba ukhuliswa ubaba wakhe ku stepfather you know so he was very open about his life and nangendlela akhule ngayo and nami ngamtshela ezakithi izinto and we bonded over that. I started falling in love with uGayi. Uthi ngafalla in love with uGayi. Uthi ke sa date ke noGayi. Uthi ke bajola. The relationship was going very smooth and things were just well and uGayi was very consistent. Uthi mina ke bongiwe ngumuntu othanda ukuhlala ekhaya but I have this one friend of mine who I'm very close with. uhlala kamakhelwane ngasekhaya uthi since sikhula besikhula ndawonye like sizwana uthi kuthe ngelinye ilanga when we were coming home engiphelezela lo mfana ungibeka kude ngasekhaya kuze ekhaya babengazi ukuthi ngiyadate, so he would stop nje a bit far angidrophe lapho akahambe ngemoto sama ngamateksi sobabili, so masehle taxi nangiphelezele athi masefika ngasekhaya ajika umfana hamba ukugibela iteksi angishiye ekhaya. So we would do that all the time, or sometimes like nje sometimes sisihlangane edropini sihlale bese sigibela amateksi ahlukene. Uthi so ngelinye ilanga sizihlangane nomngani wami ngelinye ilanga when we were siphume iteksini sihlangane nomngani wami, umngani wami angibone nami ngimbone ngaso sikhathi umngani wami ngase ngimtshelile ukuthi kunomuntu that I have interest in. Umngani naye ke nje umngani wami ngimkhombisa ithombe naye, she was very excited. Uthi ngimkhombisa umngani nami ngimtshela ukuthi ke ngimintroduce ke kuyi-boyfriend yami, ngisho ngithi ke nangu usibanibani and sibanibani nangu umngani nami usibanibani. Uthi hayi babingelelane very nje like melo, hayi ukuthi umngani angamphapheli i-boyfriend yami ne-boyfriend yami engamphapheli umngani nami, because I'm such a calm person. So vele angikwazi nami ukuthi ngibe nomngani uphaphayo nje owenza izinto nje ezi-snacks. Uthi le boyfriend yakhe is also a person who's very calm, cool and collected. Uthi ke hayi ke bamithane ke that day ke kungabi indaba zalutho nje ukuthi everything idlule nje siqhubeke sihambe, my friend ayihambele indawo yakhe nami ngizihambele okwami ne-boyfriend yami, sihambe siwalk ne-boyfriend yami, ijike i-boyfriend yami bese iyaphinda ke ihambe igoduke iye kubo, mina ngigoduke ngekhaya because wengangiphelezeli ukuthi azafike ngasekhaya. Uthe enene ezisikhathi sihamba, so they started being intimate ne-boyfriend. Uyaqala manje they are booking eThekwini. Uthi because umuntu vele othenjiwe kuba ukuthi ulale ekhaya, uthi wethi nje sometimes makangasebenzi noma esebenza i-shift enye uzohamba aye edrobheni afike ahlangane ne-boyfriend yakhe babhukhe, and they would stay there for those hours kuleyo ndawo and be intimate, you know, because yayingekho indlela yokuthi angaphuma ekhaya nje wayengeke akwazi ukuphuma ngoba babezomshaya. Uthi ke babhukheke and continue to have a relationship. Uthi up until I lost my phone, Sisibongiwe. So when I lost my phone, nale phone yasekhaya yayingasasebenzi le elapha ekhaya, umntwana wayifaka emanzini. So ngalahlekelwa ifoni, mangilahlekelwa ifoni, and then I use ifoni kamngani wami to reach out to i-boyfriend yami ngimtshela ukuthi ngintshontshelwe ifoni kanje ngimchazela ukuthi ifoni yami ngintshontshelwe kanje nabese sitolo abafana basibamba inkunzi. So I do not have a phone right now, but you can mawudinga ukuthi ungifonele, you can call me through my friend. Uthi nangampela umfana ke later afone nami ngihlala nomngane amafoni umfana sikhulume ngimtshela ukuthi anginayo ifoni, naye angithembisa ukuthi okay let's wait ekupheleni kwenyanga nami sizozama ukuthi sibone senzenjani so that uzothola ifoni. Uthi ngaleso sikhathi Sibongiwe, it's like the beginning of the month and imali yami vele sisebenzisile idingo zonke. Uthi angikwazi ngisho anginayo i-account la ngizothatha khona ifoni nge-installment, like I'm just lost, angazi ukuthi ngizokwenza njani. Uthi emsebenzini they used to call me through ifoni uyoyedwa wasekhaya, like one of umamncane wami bebengifonela kuleyo phone leyo for ama-shift asemsebenzini and all of that. Uthi so ngangena ngo-WhatsApp wakhe kwi-company group ukuze ngikwazi ukuthola ama-message asemsebenzini, ngabatshela emsebenzini ukuthi ekupheleni kwenyanga ngizokwazi ukuthi ngithenge ifone entsha. Uthi kaqhubeka ke every time akafuna ukukhuluma ne-boyfriend yakhe ntambama, she would go, now she was uthi bekahamba njalo manje aye kumngani more ukuze akwazi ukuthi akhulume ne-boyfriend yakhe. Uthi that went on up until iziphela inyanga, until uze i-boyfriend yahamba yamthengela ifoni Samsung. Then umngani wethu started having a phone again, so bengasamdingeki umngani wakhe ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abe ne-communication nendoda yakhe. Uyeza ku-part 2 because why? Kuza isikhathi. Okay ke Sisibongiwe, so umfana ngithengela ifoni and siyaqhubeka ke siyajola, and I ask a friend of mine ukuthi ngiyacela ukuthi I delete inumber yakhe because there's no need for her to have inumber yakhe, like but nje njengomuntu engiclose naye. Ayi umngani athi khuleka, like you know there's nothing that I will do ngenumber boyfriend yakho, and nangampela I delete angikhombise futhi I delete. kuhambe isikhathi sisibongiwe i-boyfriend yami then iyaqala manje iba like snacks, but uba snacks in a way that like manje akasatholakali like the way akade etholakala ngakhona. Like sometimes mangimfonela uguy akatholakali and nje not ukuthi wenza kakhulu, but it's enough to be like wena why ungasatholakali manje, because bengikuthola ngaso sonke isikhathi. So every time he would make an excuse and say, you know, ngiyazi ukuthi ngibusy emsebenzini and angikwazi this time kune project enje ngiyenzayo emsebenzini, so nje I'm way caught up kuleyo project. Abasakwazi ukuthi mhlambe sometimes maba nama shift bakwazi ukuthi bahambe bayohotela and spend time uthi, and then sometimes uthola ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthatha isikhathi and spend time with me. Uthi up until ngelinye ilanga sisibongiwe ngihambe ngiyovakashela umngane nami. Mangivakashela umngane nami ifone yakhe ihleli phezulu kwasofa, yena umngane nami ahamba etoilet. We were just chilling nje, not doing anything, just sixoxa nje, or sometimes play with our phones. We were not doing something much. And bengakamxoxela umngane nami ukuthi I'm having issues with relationship yami, because I knew for a long time ukuthi umngane ezinye izinto akumele umtshele zona. Uthi iringe ifoni, mayiringa ifoni, it's a number engasavewanga but ngiyayibona, ayisavewanga le number but ngiyayibona ukuthi number ye boyfriend yami, because number ye boyfriend yami ngiyazi ngekhanda. Uthi I didn't pick up, ngibukile nje yaringa yaze yaqeda, and I didn't say anything because I was expecting ukuthi mhlambe boyfriend yami ayingitholi, so that's why ifonela le number. And uthi ngibheka ifoni yami, I'm thinking izoringa but ifoni yami didn't ring. Uthi ngithule sisibongiwe iyangidla lento, ngihambe ngekhaya ngiyoxoxela umamncane wami, even though it was really hard ukuthi ngikhulume naye. Uthi ngimxoxele ngimtshele ukuthi yazi mamncane kwenzeka into kanje i-boyfriend yami ngisebenzisa i-phone number kamngani wami, and washow ke ukuthi umngani wami bengena i-boyfriend yami bengenayo ilokhuzana ifoni, ngamnika inamba kamngani wami. So now uyafona ufonela umngani wami ngikhona kuba umngani wami, and umngani wami ngimconfronta ngawo mamncane wami wathi hayi kusho ukuthi umngani wakho uyacheat ke, cheat nendoda yakho, kodwa nawe wawusebenziselana umngani wakho inamba kamngani wakho ukuthi enene ufind out ukuthi ufonele indoda yakho. You could have tried other means, ongcono uye emsebenzini ulinda ukuthi until uzothenga ifoni. Ayike uthi nje ngivele ngidikibale ngibe umuntu heartbroken nje ngalelo langa ngilale ngingekho right. Uthi then because of the trust for me was broken, why would my boyfriend ifonele umuntu wami? So I started pulling back as well. Ngizambele ngimsebenzini, sometimes ngingamfoneli, but yena he kept on calling and calling and calling and calling. Uthi sisibongiwe he called aloke phone ngiyibambe ke phone yakhe, sometimes ngikhulume naye, sometimes nami ngimtshela ukuthi ngibusy, because I just wanted to play the game the way uguy is playing the game. Because manje sengirealizile ukuthi shuthi uguy akathembakalanga, even though uguy engazange ngimconfront, I just didn't want to do anything with ukuthi ngimconfront. Ngangifuna nje ukuthi enene kube uyozongitshela ukuthi why afonela umngane nami. Uthi siqhubeka isikhathi seku uneasy nje ukuthi ngihlale nomngane wami, but ngisaya kubo because ngifuna ukuze ngicine ngisengibonile ukuthi enene kwenzekalani phakathi kwakhe nendoda yami. Abese uthi enene bese eyambuza umngane wakho uthi ngalelo langa kwasoko olunye usuku, uthi bese ngiyambuza umngane nami wagcina nokukhuluma noSibambane ukakufonele njengoba ifoni yami senginayo nje. Athi umngane hayi akayena nje umuntu wangifonela, wagcina ukukhuluma nami ngalela langa wayesakufuna efonini yami. Uthi okay ngibona ukuthi umngane nami she's lying, and I'm like okay, it's fine, I'm just gonna keep quiet and play along until ngize ngizitholele ukuthi what is going on. Uthi sihambe isikhathi aze umfana kusho manje the more ngiphula back umfana the more he's falling for me, and uyazama uyaphusha manje ukuza kumina. Bese umfana bese yasho ukuthi enene ufuna ukuza ekhaya azolukhuza, azongicela, ufuna ukuza azongicela. Uthi mina because umfana bese ngingasamthembi ngimbuza ukuthi hawo why ufuna ukuzongicela and lobo uzocela ukuthi ungakwazi ukungilobola ufuna ukuthumela incwadi ekhaya athi hayi because ngikubonile ukuthi uyintombazane ngiyithandayo uthi but like for me it felt like kanjani lo muntu lona because ade fonela umngani wami and I don't know ukuthi like what's going on ngempela umfana athumeleke incwadi ayinike mina ngiyihambisa ekhaya asho ukuthi ufuna ukungicela kanje ngempela incwadi ekhaya umfana akuphelanga like within 2 months umfana wavela ekhaya wahamba wayokhokha wayolobola ngithulile bongiwe uthi ngithulile ngisanele question mark ukuthi like oh my guy why efonela umngani nami and isikhathi siqhubeke sihambe angimbuza uGuy angimbuza umngani nami angisho lutho kuyena uthi kuthe ngelinye ilanga sisibonge because now I was very paranoid I didn't want umngani nami ukuthi amethi indoda yami and also mangikhuluma nomngani nami ngendoda yami I would always look at her just to make sure ukuthi and then hey ugirl uzocwayiza kaningi or blink or do something ekhombisa ukuthi uthukile or uvalo uthi umngani nami nje beka behavior like normal engathi akukho lutho olenzekayo and ayikho into iboyfriend yami emfonelela yona okay and also uphikile uthe yena kade agcina ukukhuluma nendoda yami ngempela ngigcine umngani say it's fine siloku siqhubeka ke but naye nje angisamthembi but ngiyambona ngisamthembi but it was really hard for me to pull back from umngani because uthi umngani wakhe bebabangani beloku besebancane then aloboleka umfana kubo aqede and they were preparing for umshado bese beya contribute ke basho izinto ke ukuthi bazokwenza njani ke uthi bashada umshado omhlophe bazo iziphi izinto azithandayo and what not uthi uGuy was doing most of the planning for umshado wethu uthi nami vele I'm not a person who's hands on like that and ukuqala ngangisazicabanga ukuthi like ngifu ngiyamshada but ujalwana nomngani nami ngizothini again uthi sisibongiwe only to find out ukuthi uGuy was calling my friend to know what kind of a woman I am and apparently umngani wami put in a good word and told him who I am yonke into lenga ngiyona and also umfana ubetshela umngani wami ukuthi engibuza ukuthi what izini izinto engizithandayo and what do I love and nje ubefuna ubenza research ngami kumngani wami and wamtshela umngani nami ukuthi angangitsheli mina ukuthi enene kwenzekani uthi today sisibongiwe as we speak I mean when we got married umfana wangisurprise we moved the first day masiqeda ukushada samuvela endlini yami where it was idecor yakhona because umfana wathenga umuzi wawu fully furnished according to the style sami leso style sami usithathe kuphi usithathe kumngani wami bese mase siqedile ukushada umfana engileta endlini yami useyasho ukuthi ngicela ukuconfessa kuwena all the things that I was doing ungibuza ukuthi and then how was kanjani ukuthi ngiyakuthanda lokho and was kanjani ukuthi ngikuthanda lokho uthi after you've got your phone ngayisave inumber yami ngani wakho because ngase ngibona ukuthi and then ngithola umuntu kuwena uthi I saved your number and where your friend's number mase ngisavile then ngaqala ngamfonela just ukwenza ama research ngawe ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngenze izinto ozithandayo nokuthi ngikuthengele ama gift ngingamisi ngikuthengele izinto ongazithandi noma ngikwenzele izinto ngikwazi ukwenzela izinto ozithandayo uthi bongwe ngoba uthe and then ufuna istory sa happily ever after uthi I'm still young I'm still 25 and because leyo nto iyenzeke in a short space of year I'm turning 26 next year January but uthi I'm living very happily with my husband uthi within a short space of time I got married and for that moment encane window ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu wami uchitha nomngani wami kanti cha umngani wami is helping the guy to love me even more uthi bakhona abangani beqiniso bengifuna ukunishare leso story bye.